Seoul is a huge, international, world-class city. Seoul is also full of contrasts. In Seoul, you find new cohabitating with old. You also find incredible energy, speed, but also some wonderful pockets of calm. Seoul is inspiring for its energy, and that energy is also what inspires us at Kia. We believe movement, transportation, and mobility are a human right, and we want design to do its job. For any brand, creating a new logo is a huge endeavor. We want our new logo to represent the potential of the future. We're also confident in the future. The symmetry of that logo represents that confidence. And the rise that you see in the gesture of that logo is also the rise we want for us, for the brand, but most importantly, for our customers. The Kia logo stands for our future. We want to make our mark, and we want our logo to be the signature of that future.
Kia, movement that inspires.
Hello and welcome to Kia Global Headquarters, where today we embark on a bold new journey of inspirations. Before I go any further, I hope all of you and your loved ones are staying safe and healthy during the ongoing global COVID pandemic. 1 week ago, we lit up the night sky here in Kia's homeland of Korea with hundreds of pilot drones to officially unveil our new logo to the world. And today, I'm excited to announce the official start of Kia's dramatic transformation for the future. In order for us to plan the direction of the new Kia brand, we first needed to understand where we are today. So we did some deep introspection. We held interviews with the industry experts, Kia employees, Kia owners, and even those who have never considered buying Kia, in order to objectively hear how people feel about us.
Just a standard car.
Value for money product.
좀 약간 정체기에 있다.
But there's also nothing pulling me off my chair.
딱히 기업 이미지가 떠오르는 건 없는 것 같습니다.
I don't remember having seen anything that's really wowed me.
They need to seem less Asian oriented and more global oriented.
As an established challenger brand,
좀 더 세련되고 그런 느낌이 많이.
Always reliable and comfortable and efficient.
SUV 차량에 관해서는 굉장히 막강한 브랜드고요.
디자인이나 퍼포먼스나 이미 세계적인 자동차 회사 반열에 올라와 있는 것 같아요.
Engages with the new generation.
To either a hybrid or EV in terms of that focus on sustainability.
행동하는 브랜드로서
Being a fast follower and to truly become a game changer.
Have to look into your customers more closely, detect what they want.
Change into more or less like service provider of mobility. So offering the right option at the right time.
As you saw in the video, we have done some good things over the years, but there's still a lot more to be done. These voices are the reason for our transformations, the reason to reinvent ourselves, and the reason why we are relaunching the Kia brand. So, we are starting fresh with a new brand purpose, a new corporate mission, a new business direction, a new design philosophy. Most importantly, a new working culture that empowers our employees and put our customer at the heart of our discussion and actions. It's no longer about machines. It's about people. It's about delivering meaningful experiences, products, and technologies throughout the entire purchase and ownership journey that are focused on the customer. Now, As our first step of transformations, we are changing not only the logo, but also our corporate name in order to symbolize the total transformations we have planned. So, we have changed our name from Kia Motors Corporation to simply Kia. Beginning with the fundamentals, we are breaking away from our traditional manufacturing-driven business model and expanding into new and emerging business areas by creating innovative mobility products and services that meet customer needs. Guided by our visions, Green Mobility Kia, we are now squarely focused on taking the leading position in the global EV market. And we plan to launch 7 new dedicated EVs by 2027, while simultaneously promoting sustainable manufacturing through the uses of clean energies and recycling materials. Meanwhile, we are designing all new seamless customer experience covering the entire purchase and ownership journey with focus on in-car experience and connected services to ensure deep customer engagement with both our product and our brand that perfectly complement customers' lifestyles. Ladies and gentlemen, our great transformations begins right now, here today.
Kia, movement that inspires.
Much of the inspirational thinking taking place in Kia these days is cultivated right here in the Vision Square. So we believe this is the perfect location from which to share with all of you the behind the stories of our brand. We have started by asking ourselves this fundamental question: why do we exist? And to get to this answer, we went back in our history. Kia has a long history making cars, but actually we have started making bikes back in 1945. For over 75 years, we have been putting people on the move. We have proudly delivered solutions that help people moving from one location to another, connecting them with each other, and bridging physical and emotional distances between them. As you can see, movement has always been at the heart of our brand, and moving people in the core of our business. And it will remain like this in the future, regardless of all the changes taking place in our industry. Movement is in the very essence of human evolution and mankind's achievement throughout history. Mankind has evolved through migration, moving from one place to another, across different continents. This desire and need of movement is embedded in our DNA as human beings. And I think that everyone understands this concept now more than ever before. When we move, we see new worlds, we live new experiences, we meet new people and discover new perspectives. We get inspired. Movement embraces the concept of continuous change of environment, the surroundings, and as a result, change in oneself. When you move, you have time to think. Movement enables thinking, inspiration, and progress. So, we at Kia believes that movement inspires ideas. And that's why we create the space for you to get inspired and more time to bring your ideas to life. This is why we exist, to create spaces that inspire our consumers, not only through our products, but also through our stores where our consumers can touch and experience our products. Also, we exist to provide meaningful and convenient services that will free time for activities that most inspire you. Being with your family, with your friends, traveling, or simply relaxing. Being truthful to our why is critical to constantly deliver on our brand purpose. It starts by being a brand that embodies this thinking and applies it every single day. And you will start feeling this new Kia brand from this year, thanks to the work of all our colleagues around the world and our partners in every single country who will constantly deliver this new brand promise to you. Movement, it's also an important part of our mindset at Kia. It is shared among all our employees in all the areas of the organization. A mindset of moving forward, always striving, and of constant improvement, a growth mindset. A mindset of creativity, innovation, and progress, the unstuck mindset. We believe this mindset resonates with our consumers, people with a progressive, optimistic, and positive mindset, willing to change themselves and adapt for the future, that are driven by new ideas and see opportunities everywhere. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the new Kia.
They are out there, waiting to be discovered. We find them in places where we'd least expect. They come to us when we change our perspective. When we leave our comfort zone and enter new territory. Some of them are big, and some of them are small. But that's the thing with ideas. They don't just come to you. To find them, you have to move. Kia, movement that inspires.
We hope our new brand purpose sparks curiosity and inspires you about the new Kia as much as inspires us to pursue it. I wish everyone all the best and good health for 2021. And I wish that 2021 is the year that we can finally, all together, move freely again.
Kia, movement that inspires.
I'm standing here at Kia's iconic brand experience space, Kia 360, a space that symbolizes our commitment to inspiring our customers. Here, we would like to share with you how Kia inspires you, even in our new brand look and feel. The new Kia is undergoing a full transformation to deliver meaningful experiences, products, technologies, and design that are all focused on you, our customers. Needless to say, this transformation is also reflected in our new logo. The symmetry of the logo represents the confidence we have in the future, while the rising lines you see represent the rise that we want for us, the brand, but more importantly, for you, our customers. From now on, whenever anyone experiences the new Kia brand, we want them to feel a rise in inspiration and creativity. With the new brand, we also change our key colors and our font. The primary colors, midnight black and polar white, embody the infinite opportunities of the future, whereas the secondary colors embody the human touch and nature elements we value so much as a brand. But rather than my just explaining to you how the look and feel will change, we would like you to see and feel for yourselves how all these elements will come together to create a new Kia brand look and feel. To us, movement that inspires isn't just a statement or a claim. It's a brand ethos we live by and the reason we wake up every morning. In everything we create, we ask ourselves, will this inspire you? You may recall seeing these visuals shown during the countdown and the beginning of this showcase. At a glance, you probably thought these visuals were just abstract patterns. However, the movement of these visuals are designed to inspire. Inspired by patterns that exist in nature, such as the ocean, the air, and land. The movements scientifically prime your mind into a more creative flow state. Because from now on, every time you encounter any element of the new Kia brand, we want you to be inspired.
Kia, movement that inspires.
Welcome to the Kia Design Center. This is where our ideas and designs are nurtured into reality. Our ideas are born from inspiration. They start with the brand we want to be, and they come from what our customers need. As we are recreating the brand and redefining our own reason to be, the ideas of our designers and the purpose of the brand are more connected than ever. For us at Kia, design and brand cannot exist without one another. By working together, not only can we achieve compelling products and exciting cars, but also we can modernize the retail experience and all touch points of the brand. Whether you feel an emotional connection to the product, an uplifting joy upon seeing them, or maybe even a reassuring sense of calm when entering a Kia store. Every time you interact with the brand, we want to create meaningful human experiences. As we engineer and design our future electric vehicles, we are driven by our purpose, our philosophy, our mission, movement that inspires. We want our products to deliver an instinctive and natural experience, one that can improve the daily lives of our customers, and also inspire them. We believe movement is at the source of human progress. It is not only a right, but a necessity to learn, discover, and grow. If we are designing a powerful and dynamic crossover, a fun and practical commuter, a strong and bold SUV, an agile and dynamic machine, or a long and elegant sedan, our aim is to design the physical experience of our brand to create original, inventive, and exciting electric vehicles. These will simply be named EV1 to EV9. Along with our EVs, we are developing products tailored to the diverse needs of our customers. Whether for business or for private use, we are engineering and designing flexible concepts. We are building purpose-built vehicles, otherwise known as PBVs. From a micro-autonomous pod to a small individual urban transporter, a mid-size commuter, or a large logistic companion, we are rising to the challenge. In a modern society in constant transformation, we embrace the changes brought upon by this new era of mobility, autonomy, and logistics. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for design to take the path less traveled and be as creative as we can dream. As we start this new journey, we look forward to building on and strengthening the relationship between brand and design. This requires us to keep challenging and questioning ourselves, to be better, to always look forward, and to consistently offer better products, to create rewarding experiences, and to ultimately improve the quality of life of our customers. Ladies and gentlemen, we at Kia believe in the power of ideas, in the power of progress, and in the power of inspiration. Thank you for joining us today, and thank you for being with us for the global relaunch of our brand, Kia.
Kia, movement that inspires.